Because in a real life, me look like a little pitney in a real life. Me have
when every
people, one more thing I never tell you no. You see when Kushen meet me, because in a real life, me look like a little pitney in a real life. Me have a little pitney body and everything. You know what the man meet me, it look like them never know my right age. The man look at me and say, how old you be? Me say I'm 22. He say, me think I did 15. And he said, you know, a serious vibes, like him serious. We feel like some him a predator, the boy that one predator.
Welcome back guys to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yes, long time in a so no. How no stay? I hope everybody is in a good health and good strength. Now today, guys, I have a nice one for you. Yeah man, but before me go into the video, me want to big up some people as usual. KC Adventure, where y'all say Wagwan, enough respect. Remember, keep going, keep pushing. Jamaica Sensation, I say a word, my brother. Love the looks, love the new looks, love the new energy, love Wagwan, respect Wagwan. None other than Oliver Lifestyle. Yo, you back? Yeah man, Oliver Lifestyle is back guys. You can go over there, check him out. And also, Oliver Unfiltered still there. I run, now say a word, peace and love. Mackie Adventure, now say a word, youth. Enough respect, enough manners. O'Shane and Nova TV, peace and love. Who again? Shirley D with the good cooking. Yeah man, and Roxanne Kitchen. Remember, Roxanne British Kitchen. No say I heard that. Swizzle, me see you, you know. Yeah man, me see you. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, we could go into the video. This video, what me I do right now is me want to talk to Crissy. Yes, my viewers and subscribers with Crissy there. Me want to talk to Crissy, and the reason why I want to talk to Crissy, I want to ask Crissy some questions. And my viewers and subscribers, comment down below. Make we talk, make we discuss this thing. And I also want to watch this video from start to finish so you can get exactly the point where I get to. I know enough people are going to come over here and say if you leave the people in business alone, like what them always do. But, with all due respect, it is a business where it's our business. Kids is involved. And once kids involved, it's our business. Now, Crissy, me sit down and me listen to CMR on the fix. I may get hot. Me listen to CMR on the fix. A fix up himself. And when me say fix up himself, I mean a lie. And I literally tell lies. In tell lie on the police. In go as far as tell lie on the little girl. But here when him never answer, him not answer the question them. Well, if he answer, and him when him ask him the serious question, him saying we talk to them half here. But Crissy, me have something for play for you. And I want you and your friend them and your combo of them and your followers them to listen to it. So listen to this before me go any further in the video. Listen, Crissy.
So, alright, so this is it, you know, because before the whole, to tell you now, this here is Crissy is different. You see, 3 different words. So before we act a fool and carry on like I always do, gas station, right?
Yes, we stop at a gas station.
And she pulled me upstairs, telling me that you stopped at the gas station.
I mean,
A
why
girl
would you
stepped
tell
out
her
of her
mom that?
car.
That's a lie. She did not see that.
Yes, I did.
So why you people that can't tell me lie?
So you believe her over me?
That's my child.
I'm your husband. I'm your husband. What do you
gave
mean by?
birth to her.
Amelia, why would you tell her
Listen,
mom that?
stop going like with it. Me tell you.
Don't raise your voice.
Me not go act like
Don't
myself.
raise your voice.
Listen before me.
Alright, put
Listen
your hand up.
before I leave.
Put your hand up.
Right? You stop at the gas
Listen.
station. No, let me just.
You have people outside, alright? Chill out.
Alright, and that's why I said, Crissy is different. You stop at the gas station to buy gas.
I don't want to hear it. Amelia, go
Where
upstairs.
you go?
Amelia, go upstairs because you're telling a lie on your father, right?
No,
I don't
I'm
even know.
not.
Yes, you are.
This is
Babes,
you
you really
always look here.
Babes, you
Look
really
here.
ever believe a child over me?
Stop with the fuckery. But if you really are going to believe a child over me, you know, you see me give birth to me people.
So you believe a 50 over me, a 7-year-old over me?
Yeah, when me say that.
So why you not believe a
When
7-year-old
they
over
can't
me?
pick in a court, who they believe? You are the judge believe. You are the child.
Really?
I mean, hang up on her. And that's when I realized that Queen, you left with Queen in the car. Right? So me had my face. So what me have to say to you is, you say stop I want gas.
Amelia said she wanted a candy for her work from gymnastics. So I said, you know what? Since I'm going
Alright,
on the road, I'm going to
okay.
bring her with me.
And yes.
Look,
And you
I'm not going to sit here and be accused.
You stop at the gas station.
I'm not going to sit here and have you
So
accused.
if you stop at the gas station and buy gas, oh my child would come tell me say a girl support her car. And you want to hug and kiss. Oh, what want this so?
You think we're going to do that in public?
Somebody done told me in Jamaica that you were on the stairs kissing somebody.
And you never listen to someone
And
drop a lie on my
that's
telephone.
7 years later, and I still do believe.
Because you crazy to
I
believe.
still-
Everybody come to you
I
and things about me and
still
believe.
do
Like,
believe.
yeah, anything.
I'm
Alright, because
so
I'm not
why am I picking
Alright, look, one way of business. One way of
pick
business.
me if you can't tell me say you stop and you were kissing somebody and hug somebody. So we are going to
Listen, let me tell you this, Krista. Shut up.
If I pick me if you know me have on my nails. The best thing to do I leave out there.
So, my viewers and subscribers, when you hear what Crissy said out of her mouth, she have to believe her child. But that was the other child that the child and the husband did a prank on her about kissing a woman at the gas station. So my question to you, Crissy, is whenever time CMR cheat upon you, it is more important than when the little girl allegedly said your husband touched her. How it look to you, my viewers and subscribers? Let me know how it look to you in the comment. Because as far as me concerned, you more eager when him cheat than when him interfere with your daughter. So Crissy, the question I want to ask you is, Crissy Chua, not Crissy, I may excuse, CMR Chua, your daughter under the bus by letting everybody know I say she a tell lie. You never stand up, you never come out fear, which make people still I say she a tell lie. You never come out and say she do it for real. So people think she a tell lie. So my question to you, Crissy, is, do you really like your big daughter? Or you just have her around you because you have to have her around you? Yeah, man, that question me ask, Crissy. You just have her around you because you have to have her around you, or you really want to have her around you? Because me no understand. How comes you say you have to believe your daughter when your daughter tell you say CMR kiss a woman down at the gas station, but why you never believe your big daughter? Why you never push more with your daughter? Now my viewers and subscribers, me go play another piece when Crissy a question the daughter about what the daughter tell Crissy about the father kissing the girl at the gas station. Listen and watch.
When me and Daddy were on the road together, he stopped at the gas station and I saw a girl come out of her car, and then they were hugging and it looked like they were kissing.
You joking? Your father? Quinn, you sure? What do you mean they were hugging? Where?
At the gas station.
So why did he go to the gas station?
I don't know.
Did he say something to you?
No.
So he stepped out his car and go to somebody in the gas station? And they hug? You know the person? You sure? Quinn, I don't know. That kind of seems... So you were sitting in the car in the gas station and he stepped out of his car and go in the gas station and kiss somebody?
Not going. He stayed right over there, and then I was looking outside and I saw a girl come out of her car.
A girl come out of her car?
My viewers and subscribers, did you see how diligently Crissy asked the daughter the question them? What you see, if you see, and all that?
Did you pay rent for you again? Because obviously you were homeless. I guess something triggered off 1 week ago because this just happened. Something triggered off. You embarrass me publicly and think I'm going to come and back you publicly. Without you could have come in at the house and said, babes, I'm sorry. Who pay the bills? Me pay the bills. Me pay the bills. Without me, the Carter family is nothing. Hear that? Without watch Crissy work or Crissy, whatever you want to know me as, the Carter family is nothing.
You hear what she just said? You hear what she just said? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to where CMR brother say. Crissy said to him when him call her from Jamaica, listen.
Mr. Some people and I'm a friend mother send share somebody live to me, so I go over there and go watch everything. All if you say CMR get arrested for molest. So I start call my brother. Cause me I say, you know, I don't believe on the internet because people say anything, you know, forget views. Realize when I get him. Zane. Ring, me now get him. I call him wife, but maybe she doesn't sleep or she stressed out over the situation because people are spreading the nation for my brother. Zane. So me I call her, me now get her. Me call Molly get Crystal mother, at a Crissy mother, and me I talk with her and say, oh, shall I call Crissy if you know what's going on? That's alright and fine. Call her back, say she not get Crystal. Me easy back now. Remember, so I call on Crystal phone. Hope I'm a friend, grandfather now, and I forgot to say, I didn't have no service, but I connect one my friend grandfather Wi-Fi and I see miss call WhatsApp Crystal. I call Crystal. It's like she did on the next call busy and I call her when I get her and She me ask her, I say, what go on the internet with Cushion? You see me, and she said to me, say, I want me see, and that I go on. So I say, what you mean by? I said, talk to me straight, sis. She said, what you see, that I want. So I said, okay. That's the whole thing I can do. Pray. My brother I do it 12 year old and 15 year old.
So Crissy, again, may I ask you this question. Is it that you don't like your child? Or where you are hide? Tell me where you are hide. Because you are hide something. You love money. You love the fancy life. You love what I want, but Crissy, me really ask you something. And CMR go up on the fix and making big talk. And the only reason why the case dropped because of me can't call a word that's a good no technicality. Because we all know, me say it already too, it go hard because there was no penetration. There's no penetration, and just because him touch places or take off our underwear, allegedly, that don't mean him do anything that, you know, is just your word to my word. And then if the girl change her words, then, you know, but Crissy, you know something, and you hide something. You same one say CMR is a narcissist. But Crissy, why is it that when CMR cheat, you was so upset, you cry so much, but when him touch allegedly your daughter, you never do nothing about it? Crissy, let me tell you something. It hurt. It hurt. It hurt me very much, and it hurt a lot of people. And remember this, the case drop. So when CMR go around and operate like him win the case, tell him say, you know win nothing. The allegation is still there. But because of no penetration, them not have enough evidence. So the case only drop, but it's not like you're innocent or you're guilty. But in our eyes and on our ears, when we are here, you attack. Yes. Allegedly you did it. But my viewers and subscribers, I don't know watch your video so long, man. I don't know watch your video so long. Wanna subscribe? Wanna like? Wanna share? Wanna comment yet? I don't know.